In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the advanced search on the auction list page. You can find the advanced search on this very page that you see in front of you now, next to the title and get report function to search. It's this blue writing right here, and all you do is click on it and it'll open up some other fields you can use to refine your searches. So it's pretty self-explanatory as far as what the fields are. I'll be explaining the summarized by lastly, but first you have the date range. So to select that, you click on the little calendar icon next to each field, and then you use the calendar to find the start date of your search to the end date of your search. Then you can use the title. So if you know the title of the auction, you can type that in. You can also use the auction ID, or type in an internal ID if you use them as well to find the auction. You can of course do as many as you want, as long as you separate these by commas. Search for as many as you want. Next up, if you're not sure how many lots are in the auction, or if you know which ones there are, you can refine by number of lots. So if you know that there's auctions between 0 and 100 lots attached to them, you can search like that. Next up, you can type in the address of the auction. If you know the city, state, or zip, these can be put into these fields here. Next up is the auction status. If you are looking for any upcoming, bidding, closed, live bidding, or other types of statuses, you can also refine your search like so by using the drop down box here. And then lastly, you can also use whether the lots are in review. You can take that box, as in they haven't been made fully on the auction yet, or you can also search by published auctions. Now the last thing I want to show you is the summarized by field, which is the first one. And what this is an extra bit of information, and it'll show you things like the breakdown of the total amounts of lots sold, how many lots were uploaded or created within the time period, unsold, highest bids, anything like that. So it's just another way if you want to get a little bit of extra information about the date range that you picked. You can use a summary or summarized by feature to do that as well. And of course you can combine any of these different fields as you want. You can use number of lots, city, state, dips, auction IDs. You can be as vague or as precise as you want in order to find the results that you want. But that's it for this video. Thanks again for watching.